My smile was something I was always insecure about. I was not happy about the right side of my smile due to me having a severe crossbite. So if I ever posted an image online, I always smiled showing the right side of my face because it hid my insecurity. So December 2022, I decided to go get a consultation and I got some braces. Because of my crossbite, I only got brackets placed on the top row of my teeth, not at the bottom, and they did not put a bracket on that tooth that was going behind my bottom teeth. The first few months, I only got clear bands around my brackets, but I highly regret it because it gives the illusion that your teeth are more yellow than they appear. The sensitivity and pain once I got the bottom brackets placed on was a 10 out of 10. It lasted about 2 weeks and my teeth were very, very sensitive. It felt like you were just biting into something that was painful constantly. My jaw and smile quite literally realigned. As you see, I also had tons of crowding at the bottom of my teeth, but it shifted fairly quickly within the first 7 months. I was very apprehensive about getting braces at 26 years old, but getting the ceramic braces helped me feel a lot more secure within myself rather than getting the metal braces. Seeing my smile transform before my eyes was honestly very exciting to see. It's been 12 months and I was told I would have braces on for about 18. Now that it's exactly a year into my journey, my top tooth that was going behind my bottom teeth is now completely in the front. And now the orthodontist is just making room at the bottom of my teeth for a little bit of the crowding that I have left. And because my teeth were making room for that top tooth that I had that was hiding behind my bottom teeth, I also have a little bit of spacing on my right side that needs to be closed up with some spacers. I would say the first 4 to 5 appointments were the most painful, and after that, the pain subsided, and I gave it like a 2 out of 10 for pain level. My favorite band colors for least visibility, I would say, is gray, and then teal or lavender second or third, because I feel like it gives the appearance that your teeth are more white, which I really love. I made the mistake of getting clear and eating things like curry or things with turmeric, which would then turn the bands yellow. I currently get spacers on my top 4 teeth, and I have been for my last 3 appointments, but I was told for my appointment in January, I will get spacers covering all of my top teeth to close some of those spaces up. I don't know how I feel about this color. Oh my gosh. What do you guys think? I feel kind of childish, but still good. I don't know. It's gonna have to grow on me. So I'm kind of regretting it. I go on a trip really soon and I don't know why I decided to try something new. It makes me feel like I ate like some leafy greens and I didn't clean my teeth. So I typically get the iridescent / clear color, or I get gray because those blend perfectly for me. But I wanted to switch it up and immediately I felt pain. And the lady putting the bands on this morning, she said supposedly this color and pink hurt the most. Like for some reason those colors, the bands are a lot tighter. Don't know how accurate this is. You guys let me know if you guys experience this at all. I've truly become a lot more confident with my smile. I do have 3 products that I use quite often that are linked in my Amazon storefront, and that's going to be plackers specifically for people with braces, as well as a water flosser that really changed my life. But this is my smile today. I'm really proud and confident in the way my smile and teeth are looking now, and I can't wait to see how they look once I get them all off. Thanks for tuning in and stay tuned for the journey.